Welcome. Today we will study present perfect continuous tense. Write your answer in the comment section before watching the complete video and don't cheat. Number 1. She dashed for 2 hours. The correct answer is option C. Has been running. Number 2. We dashed this book since morning. Have been reading. 3. I dashed for you since 9 a.m. Have been waiting. 4. It dash all day. Has been raining. 5. They dash in this company for 5 years. Have been working. 6. He dashed the guitar for 3 hours. Has been playing. 7. We dash to contact him for days. Have been trying. 8. You dash very hard lately. Have been studying. 9. The baby dashed for an hour. Has been crying. 10. John dashes homework dash 4 p.m. Has been doing since 4 p.m. 11. I dash in the kitchen dash morning. Have been cooking since morning. 12. She dash English dash 3 years. Has been learning for 3 years. 13. My brother dash video games all day. Has been playing. 14. They dash for a new job dash last month. Have been looking since last month. 15. We dash about this issue dash hours. Have been talking for hours. 16. He dash late dash the past few days. Has been coming for the past few days. 17. I dash a lot lately. Have been traveling. 18. The students dash well in class recently. Have been behaving. 19. She dash up early these days. Has been getting. 20. They dash about their vacation plans. Have been discussing. 21. He dashes novel dash weeks. Has been writing for weeks. 22. I dash better after exercising regularly. Have been feeling. 23. We dash him for a long time. Have been knowing. 24. The children dash in the park dash afternoon. Have been playing since afternoon. 25. She dash her painting dash 2 days. Has been painting for 2 days. I dash to fix my bike dash morning. Have been trying since morning. 27. We dash the same project dash January. Have been handling since January. 28. He dash on the computer all night. Has been working. 29. She dash on the phone dash an hour. Has been talking for an hour. 30. They dash this issue dash weeks. Have been discussing for weeks. 31. You dash in the sun too long. Have been sitting. 32. I dash this game all evening. Have been playing. She dashed me a lot of questions lately. Has been asking. 34. We dash to improve our service. Have been working. 35. He dash better now that he exercises. Has been feeling. 36. The company dash new employees dash months. Has been hiring for months. 37. I dash to call you dash yesterday. Have been trying since yesterday. 38. We dash the house dash 2 hours. Have been cleaning for 2 hours. 39. She dashed me strange messages lately. Has been sending. 40. They dash to start a business. Have been planning. 41. My parents dash more time with us recently. Have been spending. 42. He dashed down a lot lately. Has been falling. 43. I dash a headache dash hours. Have been having for hours. 44. We dash a new product launch. Have been preparing. 45. She dash her team members dash hours. Has been guiding for hours. 46. They dash their garden dash morning. Have been watering since morning. 47. I dash your calls all day. Have been missing. 48. The singer dash for an hour. Has been performing. 49. We dash to understand the new software. Have been trying. 50. He dash angry more often these days. Number 50. He dash angry more often these days. Has been getting. Tell me which one was the most difficult one in the comment section.